the concept of generalization in research work. What does it mean to generalize your study? What does generalizability mean in research work? Every research work is intended to provide an explanation of how or why things happen the way they do, why they happened the way they did, or how and why they are likely to happen in future. Research findings explain phenomena, that is, they explain facts or events. But in most cases, you can't study everyone or everything involved in an event to be able to explain it. So you have to study a sample of the population, after which the findings and conclusions of the study are extended or applied to the entire population of that study, and in some cases, to the larger world. This is where the concept of generalization in research work comes in. Generalizability refers to the extension of findings and conclusions of your study on a sample population to the larger population. It means relating the observations you made from a study on a small group, that's the sample size, to a larger group, that's the population. Now you have two major kinds of generalizability. The first one, generalizing to a population, where you apply the results from a study sample to the entire population, that is the population you got the sample from. Or generalizing to a theory, where you use the findings and conclusion of a study to develop hypotheses and scientific theories. In this case, let's say a study done on television viewing habits of children in Nigeria during COVID-19 lockdown showed they least preferred educational content. Now let's say this study leads to other studies on children in other countries using increasing sample sizes, and the results show consistency across persons, time, and place. Such observations could be generalized into a theory that suggests as follows: unintended holidays makes children uninterested in educational content on television. So, generalization means to extrapolate the results of a study to a larger population. Simply put, it means to apply or extend the results of a study on a sample to a larger population. So, generalizability is an important factor when it has to do with the findings of any research work.